Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to lock any app on a Realme phone. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your Realme phone. Then scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Here, find and tap on App Lock. Now you need to turn on App Lock. Now you may be asked to set a privacy password if you haven't set one before. Follow the steps to create your password, which will be used to open the locked app. And now you can also set a security question or link your email for recovery. I will set here security question. Once you are inside App Lock, you will see a list of apps. Find the app you want to lock. Then tap on the toggle next to the app to enable App Lock. Once enabled, the app will be locked, and you will need to enter your password or use fingerprint or face unlock to open it. And that's it. You have successfully locked an app on your Realme phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.